Yo, V Nation, are you looking for a nice little rechargeable desk table lamp? This has some RGB in it? Well, I think I got what you're looking for. So you might want to stay tuned and check out this video on this nice little cordless table desk lamp. Alright? Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark from RGB back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Okay, V Nation, this is your man Mark back again another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at a nice little RGB rechargeable lamp. Alright? But before we get started, let's get a few things out of the way. One, I'm not an expert. Two, I'm just a guy that loves tech and gadgets. And three, I just like to showcase new products I get like this on the channel. Alright? Alright. So spec junkies, don't beat me up down in the comment section. Alright? Just a regular everyday person, not an expert. Alright? While you're down there, hit the subscribe button. Alright, appreciate it. Alright. Today we're going to be taking a look at this RGB rechargeable desk lamp. Alright? Yeah, rechargeable desk from a company called TIMEGOA. Here's the name of it right here. TIMEGOA. I guess that's how you say it. Let's see here. Let's start out with some of the specs. Let's see here. It has, look on the box. It has relaxing mode, RGB mode. Let's see what else is on here. It's a 2-in-1 detachable lamp, portable, cordless, fully dimmable, RGB lighting mode. Memory function, so that's basically when you shut it off, when you turn it back on, it comes on to the mode, the last mode you use before you turn it off. It says eye care and design, color select, and long service hour, whatever that means. But it says the as far as you know, the temperature, the color, the light temperature, and getting tongue tied is about 300 Kelvin. Let's see, this desk lamp has 1600 colors. Now that's to be seen. I mean, 1600 colors, come on. But yeah, it's pretty much, you know, let's see here. It has a rechargeable 2000 mAh battery. All right, that's showing how long the battery life is. I have to double check that in a minute. But let's go ahead and let me let you look at the box, so we can go ahead and get this out of the box. So you can pause this, read it for yourself. This is the stuff I was looking at on the back, and it has some directions on how to use it on the back. All right, you can pause this and read it for yourself. And let's see here, and this is a little diagram to show you how it looks. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box and see what we're working with, the 2-in-1 RGB rechargeable lamp. Alright. Okay, let's take this bad boy out of the box real quick. Let's see here. We met with an instruction booklet. Probably want to hold on to that. Let's see here. This is like the base. So that's to the side. We got a little charging cable. What is this? Okay, USB-C. Good look. Let's see here. Got some more packing foam. I got it packed real good. Okay, what is this? Okay, these look like okay. Oh, get this foam out of the way. Let's see here. Like another pole. And the other one. What did I do with the other one? Did I throw the other one away? Oh no, here it is. Here's another part of the pole. Get the light out itself. Let's see here. We're gonna keep this box real quick. I'll let you take another peek at the box real quick though. It's you know, just showing you all the information on the back of the box. You can pause and read it for yourself. Show you where it has the light control switch and buttons, lamp body connector, silicone handle, so you got a carrying strap, and clear lampshade, cream white lampshade, and the rod is about half, and another one's 2. Let's see here in the base. All right, so you know that's for the spec junkies. It says, and also here's some more functions on here. It has a relax mode. It has tap once to turn on lampshade. And see here, tap again to turn on downward light. So it has a bottom light as well. Tap again to turn on all the lights, alright, and then long press to adjust the brightness. RGB mode. Tap again to enter RGB mode and double tap to unlock or lock a color. And the 5th tap to turn off the light. Alright? Alright, I should have read this off earlier, but just try to move so quick. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Move some of this out of the way. Get this main feature out of that plastic. Let's take this out of the plastic. If you wanted to see the instruction, here's a little instruction booklet. You can pause this and read it for yourself. Get a little closer. The lighting ain't working today for some reason. Alright, here's a little, oh man, it's like a mirror. Man. I wish they would have had a black color. That's a color I really wanted to get, a black color one. But anyway, let's see here. I'm gonna take this off in a minute. But let's take a look at the main feature. All right, it has it has like a little sticky on here to give you directions on how to use it up here. Little instructions right here. I don't know if you can read that. You picking that up? Let's see here. I guess that has to be a power. I guess that's the power button. Yeah, that's a power button. Okay. Now, how do you get it off? Okay, one click off. Oh, that turns on the bottom. Okay. Okay. I think I turned it off. And the bottom right here is where you would screw in the poles right here. And this is your USB-C charging slot right here. Got your little handle, so if you want to just carry it like this, you don't have to have it, put together on the pole. So that's pretty good. Nice little hard plastic shell. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this put together, and we're going to go back over to the desk and see what we're working with. All right, we got this bad boy already set up. Got it charged up, and I've been playing with it for a minute, trying to see how it works. And man, I like this. This is a nice little, just a nice little classy, little simple little table lamp, rechargeable. I mean, and this, something like this will come in handy, for power outages and stuff like that. So if you ever have a power outage or something like that, you still got some light. This is pretty cool. One thing I will say down here, this is going to be a fingerprint magnet, so you're going to be constantly wiping this bad boy off, because I mean this nice shiny like silver looking material down here. It's just a fingerprint magnet. But anyway, let's get back to this. I mean, like this right here is 2 pieces right here. So you got to make sure you get them together. And after you get that together, it's pretty simple. Also, with this top can come off. You can, let me see if I can get it off real quick. For the sake of time, let's see if I can get it off. Okay, yeah. Just twist off. And let's see here. Bam. Now you got a portable lantern. You can carry it around with you anywhere. Like I said, if the power goes out, you don't have to carry this big thing around. You just carry this around to wherever you need to be, and then bam, you're good to go. So let me turn this off. All right. So I got the bottom turned on. And you see that? It's got the bottom light on there too. So you got different modes. So basically, let me go ahead and turn this light off. Alright, and screw it back in here. Alright, like so. You got screws in loud vehicles. But anyway, yeah, you got a nice little carrying handle. I kind of wish that carrying handle was somewhere built a little bit different, but it's at least they got something on there we can carry around. But let's check out these lighting modes. It has plenty of different colors. So let me go ahead and check it out. It's touch sensitive right here. It's touch sensitive up top. So basically what I'm going to do, let me cut some lights off so we can really see how this thing shines and see how it looks. Alright, we got the lights out. So we can go ahead and take a look at this bad boy. I'm going to click it one time. Bam. That's like a warm white right there. Was it warm or cool white? Yeah, we'll see. Let's see here. Let me see if I can dim it. Okay, I think I'm brightening it up. Okay, I think I got it brightened. Let me see if I can dim it down. Yep. You just hold it and it'll dim down, and hold it, press and hold again. It'll go to the full brightness. Alright, let me click it one more time. Then you just have the bottom light. That's pretty cool. So if you're just sitting there like at the dorm, or if you have like a nice little romantic dinner somewhere, something like that, man, this is cool. You don't have to have the whole lamp on. You can just have the bottom part on. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool right there. I'm liking that. So that's like the second mode right there, right? And you can dim this one as well. Let me see, dim it all the way down. Bam. And then brighten it back. Alright. Let's go to the next mode. Okay, this is the bright white. This is the bright white. Alright, so you can dim this one as well. So let's see the RGB. Now this is the mode I like right here, RGB. You know. And I'm thinking with the RGB, it's gonna change colors. I don't know if you got a double tap. No, that was off. Now the RGB, you can press and hold. Okay, you press and hold. Okay, now it's changing color. I like that. It's changing colors. Now I'm trying to figure out how you have it on this one steady color. Now I know it's kind of hard to tell in the video, but it's changing colors, going to red, white, blue. And let me see if we get a green. We get a green. Not really a dark green, but it's, you know, a light green. Let's see, another touch. That's off. So first mode, second mode, just the bottom lamp. Third mode is white. Fourth mode is RGB. So let me press and hold this. Let's see if you can just get it on stay on one color. I don't know if you got a triple tap or double tap to do that, but I'm guessing it's just going to fade in and out on the different modes. Well, wait a minute, it's not changing when I double tap. So that's the key to the color changing. So you want to keep it on one steady color. Once you get in RGB mode, you double tap the top, and then it'll stay in that one color. So if I double tap it again, it starts fading. Yeah, too easy, too simple. So in order to control the RGB part, and I'm just learning this myself. I was playing around with it, and I'm just learning it myself. Man, this is pretty cool. For an RGB mode, if you want to control the RGB mode and keep it in a certain one solid color, you got to double tap up top. And like right now, it's staying in green. Now when I double tap it again, it goes back to flowing the RGB mode. That's pretty cool. I'm liking that. That's pretty cool. So let's get these lights back on and see so we can finish up this video. Alright, we got the lights on, and like I say, this is a pretty decent little rechargeable lamp. I'm liking it. It's changing colors. I know you probably can't tell in the video, but trust me, it looks nice. It looks nice in person. The only thing I can say is the bottom part, this little shiny chrome looking part, is going to be a fingerprint magnet. So you're going to have to keep a little microfiber cloth if that's going to bother you to clean it off. But let's go over a few of the specs real quick before we end this video. It said it has a 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery. It takes about 3 to 4 hours to fully recharge from like completely zero. And it said full brightness, it lasts about 5 to 6 hours on full brightness. Now I haven't had it burning that long yet to test it out, but I'm planning on doing a little bit more testing on it. And like I said, they said on the lowest setting, it'll last for 10 hours. So that's pretty decent. That's for something like this. It's not gonna break the bank. That's pretty decent. That's pretty decent. You know, for the last that long. You know, that's pretty cool. You know, 5 to 6 hours on full brightness, and then 10 hours on the lowest. So basically, you could use this as a night light. You know, if you at nighttime you go to bed, put it, and want to have it in the kids' room or something like that. You know, turn it on, and at the lowest setting, it'll last all the way until it's time to get up. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I'm liking it. So this is, like I said, this is a nice little lamp. Simple and easy to use. 4 different lighting modes on here. My favorite is the RGB, which my camera's not, you can't see the full effect with my camera, but other than that, I think this is a nice little gadget right here. I might have to pick up another one because I'm liking how this looks. Put one, keep one on the desk, and put one in somewhere else. So yeah, I think I'm gonna pick up a couple more of these, and this will probably be a good Christmas gift too. So that's what I might do. Just pick up a couple more, and then give these away as Christmas gifts. This has been my little review of this nice little rechargeable table lamp. So I appreciate everybody checking out this video. And if you haven't already, go ahead and like, subscribe, notification bell to be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe. It really helps the channel. Without you guys and girls, this is not possible. So I appreciate you taking that time to check out the video. And like I say, tell that person to subscribe, tell that person to subscribe, tell that person to subscribe, so we can watch the videos, alright? And let's see here. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, alright? Alright, let's see. The message for today is you get out of life what you put in it. So whatever you put into life, that's what you're gonna get. So you go out there acting crazy, not taking care of your responsibilities, and just not doing what you need to do, then don't expect nothing good in life. But if you go out there trying to do your best and being a good person, all that good stuff, like I say, you get back what you give. So like I said, life is what you make it, and you get back what you put into it, alright? This has been your main man, Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace. Night, night, y'all.